I feel almost done running the wire. Got one of them done, about to do the ground. Got the holes going. Nice and clean. Fucking hands are all dirty and shit. Look at this one, fisting. Got the kinetik underneath, and then we put the cover back on. Got the 2 ones that run out, 1 out wire. So, new concepts. Let's see. I think they're HC2Ks, pretty sure. This is what we use to cut the wire. Let's just finish running this. Gonna have a lot extra, that's for sure. Gonna hide a little bit better, but right now we just got the wires ran temporarily, so we know where it's going. This is an old wire. This was like CCA, and this is closer to OFC, so it has more strands and everything. So yep, gonna give you guys an update in a minute. So now we get to drill these.
Is this all we have left?
Huh?
Is that what we have left?
Yeah, all that's extra.
We don't need that for anything?
The blue wire?
Yeah.
You're gonna need it to run from the batteries to your amp.
But other than that, though, that's a lot of extra. That's nice.
Big 3 for sure, dude.
I was just gonna.
I mean, we can use the extra for another ground. Let's do a dual ground on the back.
Should we do a dual ground? Is that gonna make a difference?
It'll make it more efficient a little bit, probably like 5%.
I could just make a jump up out of it.
I'd probably be like 40% efficient.
40% efficient.
Alright, let's pull it out. Almost there, look it.
This one goes here, actually.
I'm gonna laugh at to end up using that big one that we started.
I think this one.
Pet my cat! None of your business. Nah.
So good, I see it in my dreams. She wanna hold you back when I hit it. When I do it, mama wanna get it. She said, take it slow.
This is gonna have a really low drop. In like 2 seconds, right? Yeah. Crazy. Gotta clean up all this shit. Ugh, my work here is almost done. Clean as fuck. Gotta clean up the inside still. Right now we just have it ran so we can play and make sure that everything works before we start cleaning it up.
Oh, yeah. So you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny.
Action battery in the rear.
Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show. And we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom.
Dude, this is just blowing air.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom.